Scattered showers and storms are likely both days, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. We'll have a lingering shower or storm Tuesday. Wednesday looks to be dry. That's the driest day of the next 7 because then we bring back chances for showers and storms Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, as we are going to be in this unsettled weather pattern. So for tonight, it's going to be mostly cloudy, isolated shower or storm. We're going to have the potential for some patchy fog as temperatures drop into the upper 60s. Some models are trying to bring in some showers and storms right near midday as we get into your Sunday. I do expect scattered showers and storms throughout the afternoon and into the evening. Temperatures climbing into the low 80s, so not as hot, but it is going to remain humid as we head throughout your Sunday. We'll keep some rain around Sunday night and as we head into the start of the work week. Monday morning, as you head out the door, we're in the upper 60s. We'll have some rain around early, but similar to Sunday, I think the best chance for rain on Monday is going to come as we get into those late afternoon and evening hours. High temperatures on Monday going to be in those low 80s. So for tonight, it's mostly cloudy, isolated shower storm possible, patchy fog likely in spots as temperatures drop into the upper 60s. For tomorrow, we're into the low 80s, scattered showers and storms off and on as we head throughout the day, especially as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. We'll keep some rain around tomorrow night, scattered showers and storms on Tuesday, lingering shower storm on Tuesday, temperatures in those low 80s. We stay in the low to mid 80s throughout next week, so not as hot as it has been recently. Wednesday looks to be the best day of the week, partly sunny, 85 that high. We bring back chances for showers and storms Thursday, Friday, Saturday. High temperatures low to mid 80s, temperatures at night mid to upper 60s.